LEGO Education StoryVisualizer software. Working with default layout templates. Once you have logged in successfully, open a new project to begin creating your story. Before you begin to populate your stories with words and pictures, you must select a layout. Layouts will help pace your stories and make sure they follow a logical progression of ideas. First, choose the page orientation, either vertical or horizontal. Once you have selected a page orientation, you are ready to select your layout. To make this process easier, StoryVisualizer includes default layout templates. You can also customize your own templates if you wish. You can use a different layout for every page, or you can use the same layout for the entire project. On a new page, if you would rather create your own template, click the Custom Layout button in the Layout panel. You can then drag and drop shapes from the Library panel into your custom template. To change the size and form of a shape, select it by clicking and adjust it by manipulating the green control points. Click the Done button to accept your customized layout. Be aware that it is not possible to edit a customized layout after you have clicked the Done button. Working with images. Images are a central tool that students will use to create their stories. To add an image to your project, you must first import it to the image library. Click the Import Image button in the top menu bar and browse the computer's hard drive for stored images. The StoryVisualizer software will filter the content of the hard drive and only show supported image files. The supported image file types are JPEG and PNG. To use the image, drag and drop it from the image library to the workspace. You can move the image around within the template framework. To delete an imported image, click the checkbox, followed by the Delete button. You can only delete imported images from the image library if they are not being used in your project. You can apply a number of effects to an existing image using the Effects button. When clicked, a menu will pop up with different selections for modifications to the image. Included in the StoryVisualizer software are backdrop images that can be added to your story. These represent different settings in which a story might take place. They can be accessed by clicking the Backdrops button in the image library. Drag and drop the desired backdrop into your story. Because we've added the backdrop second, it will cover our first image, and we can use the Send Backward button to move it behind our image. Click the Effects button to change the color or brightness of your backdrop. Also included in the software are clip art images that can be used to add props and additional background detail, or to add emphasis to an action in your story. To add clip art to the workspace, select the Clip Art tab in the Library panel and click and drag the desired piece to the desired location. Working with text. Text will be an important part of your students' stories. It will allow them to communicate their ideas and express their thoughts in a clear and concise manner. To add text to your story, click the Text tab in the Library panel. Drag and drop a speech balloon or text box to the workspace. Double-click inside the box to edit the text. The speech balloon and text box will automatically adjust in size to accommodate your text. Speech balloons can be moved to any position on the workspace. To reposition the tail of the speech balloon, move the cursor to the end of the tail and drag the green control point to the required position. You can also use the Text Property panel to rotate the text box or to change the size, font, color, and alignment of the text. Working with image masking. Image masking is a feature of the StoryVisualizer software that allows a student to remove the background from an image to give the image a more clean appearance. Using an image with the background removed allows you to make it appear as if objects from your photographs are present in the backdrop of your story scene. This will make the photograph seem more contextually appropriate to the story you are creating. Select the image you wish to mask by clicking, and then click the Erase button to access the image eraser tools. The eraser can be used to remove part of an image, including the background. The eraser's size and hardness can be adjusted using the sliders at the bottom of the eraser window. Working with image capturing. In addition to using images contained on the computer's hard drive, StoryVisualizer software allows you to grab images directly from an external or built-in webcam. Click the Capture Image button in the top menu to capture a webcam image. The first time you click the Capture Image button, the StoryVisualizer software will search for an available webcam connected to your computer. Click the Allow button in the dialog box to allow the software to locate any available webcams. To take a picture using the selected webcam, click the Camera button. This will take a still photograph from the selected webcam and add the image to the image library. Drag and drop the desired image into your story and use the Effects button to change the appearance of the image. Working with other image devices. In addition to capturing images using a webcam, StoryVisualizer software also allows you to capture images using a digital camera, smartphone, or cellular phone with a built-in camera. To do this, first take a photograph using your camera or other device. Then, connect the device to the computer. Copy the image from the device to the computer's hard drive. Click the Import Image button and browse to the folder containing the image file. Select the image file and it will appear in the image library. Drag and drop the desired image into your story and use the Effects button to change the appearance of the image.